President Nelson Chamisa was today in Marondera, where he addressed the thousands and thousands and thousands of his supporters. So, taking a look on what he said, "Thank you, Marondera. God is in it. Bless you. A new Great Zimbabwe for everyone loading." So these are the pictures Team Zimbabwe President Nelson Chamisa in Marondera Rudaka Stadium, and this is a massive turnout of the voters. Vana Zimbabwe kutaura chokwadi murume uyu ari kudiwa. Vana vezimbabwe vakuda shanduka. Vana vezimbabwe, they are actually direct in terms of their demands. They need change in the nation of Zimbabwe, but sometimes we take it for granted because of ZANU-PF shenanigans. But honestly speaking, vana vakuda shanduko, vana vakuda new Great Zimbabwe. Munhu wese ari kuti Advocate Nelson Chamisa ngavapinde. Recently, Advocate Nelson Chamisa was in Mashonaland West Province, uko kwavakakwanisa kuunganidza a lot of people. He started with areas like Kadoma. Kadoma was a bang, and it actually sent a signal to the regime. Zvekutaiwa kwakaitwa ma-meetings after ma-meetings. Then he went to Karoi. Karoi, rural people of the Mashonaland West Province, Kukaroi, vakaita zvinodadisa, iwa vakabuda in their thousands, and that surprised the regime too, to say vana vavanenge vachimbori kupi. Why is it that this guy, this young man, is gaining momentum like that? It is what it is, Team Zimbabwe, because you cannot stop change whose time has come. You cannot stop God's hand. You cannot stop God's promises and God's plans. You can't. This is the reason why we always say, guys, let us remain vigilant. Let us remain committed to the struggle. I know that there are so many difficulties we are facing. Our candidates are being attacked left, right, and center. Everything which is happening in Zimbabwe shows that we are actually existing or living in a dictatorship. But against all odds, we are trying by all means possible to make sure that we galvanize, we gather, we work for change. So several activities are happening in the rural areas. A lot of campaigns are happening, and we hope and believe to win Zimbabwe for change. Zvikanzi panapa, well done Prezo, aluta continua. Zvikanzi 23 August landslide victory is guaranteed. Zvikanzi new Great Zimbabwe. Zvikanzi panapa, well done my president, God is in it. Zvikanzi famba ine message yangu president, people should maybe adopt polling stations. Okay. Hanzi panapa, faka pressure Nelson Chamisa my president. Zvikanzi famba nero. Zvikanzi new Great Zimbabwe for everyone. Zvikanzi all the best. So Team Zimbabwe, it is what it is. Team Zimbabwe, gore rino iri gore rishanduka, iwa change iri kuuya yega. Hatisi kumboita zvekutamba vana veZimbabwe, because nguva ndiyo yasvika. Ngatirambe tichienda tichikurudzira hama dzedu kuti ngatiende tinovhota kwese kwavari, ngatiende tinodefenda vhoti yedu, handei tinoita make sure kuti tapinza mukomana pamwe chete nema MPs ake, makansela zake, tobva taziva kuti tagadzira a new Great Zimbabwe.